Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a new purge bulb in your chainsaw. To install the new purge bulb, I'll align the tabs with the opening in the housing and then snap it into place. And now I can reinstall the fuel lines. And now I can reinstall the carburetor. The first step to install the carburetor is to install the fuel lines. Now I'll reinstall the throttle linkage and the choke. Now reinstall the air filter base. I'll inspect the gasket and replace it as needed. And I'll reinstall the air filter. And I'll finish by reinstalling the top cover. And that's how easy it is to install a new purge bulb in your chainsaw.